Millet Marvels, changing the way world eats by Tenali Double Horse.
Hello, hi and welcome to iDream Media. Today we are doing something different. What different? One small tour for you. And that tour is world famous or All India, the first tour, T Hub tour. You must have heard about T Hub, where all startups are getting good place, good opportunity to do something well in their life. How this T Hubs look like, what facilities they are giving, and how people's lives have actually changed after joining this T Hub. So let's find out what's happening inside the T Hub, how it looks, and what facilities they are giving. More stories to explore. Come with me. So now we are just moving towards T Hub. We are inside the T Hub. So we can see the huge space, huge building. I'll tell my cameraman, I can feel the place, you know. It's such a positive place to enter inside the T Hub. And as we can see, the plantation, the nature has been kept wild nicely, you know. The look, I can just see the entrance part. It's totally, you know, related to nature, which actually gives you so positive feeling. I felt very good, you know, just entering into the T Hub. And as we can see, we all love Hyderabad. We love T Hub. We can see this, I love T Hub. So I think everybody who's coming to T Hub, you need to have selfie. You will love to be standing here like I love Hyderabad, I love T Hub. So this is a nice venture, we can see it. So now from here we'll go inside and meet the right man who manages us T Hub, who's responsible for it, and he'll just explain and share some stories whose lives have changed, what facilities they have added up, and what more is happening inside and how it looks. Let's go inside. Hi Anish sir, thank you so much for giving your precious time. I know you're busy whole of the day, lot of work pressure, but you know, I really wanted to explore inside. There are people who wants to know how T Hub looks inside, and thank you for getting that all permissions done. I know it was not easy.
No, it's really a pleasure having you here, and thank you for taking out the time to spend your time.
I love this place.
Shoot about T Hub.
Lives have changed here. There's so many hidden stories, and this T Hub, like, I just want to know how it looks inside, so that, you know, people can have more of like people who wants to join here from other cities, and they were just thinking how to go about it, so we can just give more information to them.
Sure, absolutely.
First of all, I like the positivity, the nature you have get connected, like the, you know, you enter in the T Hub and lot of greenery. You have maintained Hyderabad ka wo rehta hai na, that spirit of positivity. So I love that. So let's go inside and just, if we can, you can take us through the journey of T Hub.
Absolutely. T Hub, the way it's constructed itself, it's like a 10-floor building.
10-floor building, my God.
And the total built-up area is approximately 6 lakh square feet of area. And unlike other establishments, we are constructed like an incubator. Which means this building is constructed out to be an incubator. Matlab, ground floor, we have a lobby, we have a coffee house. On the ground floor, we also have 2 banks. So at full capacity, this T Hub will be able to accommodate approximately 800 to 1,000 startups.
So this is a sitting area. I'm getting attracted seeing this area where people are having chit-chat. I like the concept of, you know, the walls also. It doesn't look like, you know, office. The creativity has been worked more on that.
So the ground floor area, we have a coffee shop, a nice little coffee shop. We have 2 bank branches present out of here.
So this is a coffee shop.
This is the extension for a coffee shop. People can come here, chill here, hang out here.
And the interior point, I love that. That plantation, that wall you have made, divided wall.
So these 2 banks here. The aim of these banks is we have full approximately 1,000 startups who will be coming out of here, right? So for all their financial requirements,
you don't need to go out and waste your time.
Exactly. You don't need to go out and waste your time. Everything, in fact, insurance, payments, salary
everything
accounts,
will be done here.
They even give collateral-free loan if we recommend some startups for them, saying that, hey, these are the startups that we worked for 2-3 years, and we are sure that they are going to, you know, pay up in time. So even without collateral, they are willing to give up to around 50 lakh loan for them.
Great. Right? So I love this coffee place. So let's move on. This is a right side there is, I can see a sitting area.
Yes,
Once
yes.
people come, you have a waiting area.
Yeah.
But you have worked on more. If I, once enter into the tea hub, the nature connection, I can see the
Yeah.
positivity. It's more.
Yeah. So
Like-
if you look at this, right, I think this whole floor is a 10 floors building.
There's a mini
This is
tea
a
hub.
mini representation
Mini
of tea
tea
hub.
hub. Okay.
Yeah, it's very easy for us to explain out people what
Yes,
the whole thing
yes,
is out
yes.
of this place, right?
It's a huge. I mean, if we cover.
And also, in every year, the government of India announces 2 awards for the
Okay.
best incubator.
Okay.
One is by the Department of Science and Technology, another is by Startup India. So for this year, Tea Hub has won both awards for
Great.
the best, being the best startup incubator in
Congratulations.
India. So this is the latest one that we won from Department of Science and Technology for being
Great.
its best technical business incubator in India.
Wow. So let's go.
Sure.
So this is the entry point.
Yeah. So like we said, on the ground floor, we have, we have 2 banks, right? We have a coffee shop, we have place for people to hang out. Right? On the first floor, we have a media center
Okay.
where our startups
You can just talk about this sitting area.
Yeah.
Like you come here, sit and wait.
Yeah, this is
I
the
love
lobby.
this lobby area.
Yeah, this is a lobby area, and if you're
The
expecting
plantation
guests-
is natural. No, natural. It's not natural, right?
It is.
Oh, so on the nature side, you have more focused.
Yeah, we really want to keep it a nice place to
Exactly.
work out of, right?
Yes.
I mean, you should get the great vibe to work out of.
It's working.
It should spark creativity, right? And that is the thing we build.
So this is all waiting area.
This is all the waiting area. If you're coming to meet a guest here, and if you're waiting for them to come,
You can
and
have a
receive
coffee, go there, and after coffee, come and sit here.
or get your coffee here and
Here
wait.
and sit if the houseful is there.
Yes, right?
So there, all meetings updates are there on that
Yeah,
screen.
so today all of these screens show you what are the meetings here today, who's coming into the session. Like today we had the Israeli ambassador in the building.
Okay.
Typically every week we
All
have three
updates.
or four ambassadors who are visiting the place.
Oh.
So that's the kind of frequency that we have at this place. And apart from
And
that,
you get
any intervention
easily
that are happening-
opportunity to meet them, which you don't get so easily available.
Exactly. I think what we are is we are an enabler. We churn those things around, right? We
Right.
help people to interact with each other and make those happenstance
True.
things happen, the serendipity happen,
Yes,
so to
yeah.
speak, right? So that is what we make it happen here. We put everything into one building
Yeah.
and then juggle it around. So
I
that there are a
know.
lot of connections which are being made. And also, like I was saying, right, this whole building is built out like an incubator.
Yes.
On the first floor, we have a media center. We have an Apple Experience Center, right? On the
If
second,
we can just have a feel of it.
yeah, of course.
So the feeling is more important when you actually see it.
Yeah.
You
absolutely.
can relate to it. So from there we are going to first floor.
Yeah, now we'll get off at the first floor.
From there we need to move here.
Yeah, we can move from there as well.
Okay.
So, for example, we have a lot of brands who have got their experience centers here. So,
Okay.
if you're
This is like.
this is an Apple proper type experience center.
Okay.
And also, what happens if you're working on an iOS platform?
Okay.
If you're working on an Apple platform,
Ah.
they support you with all this technological support that is required, the software
Okay.
support that is required. So, you can build out an iOS.
I can
and
see
Apple
that.
stack
You
out
can
of
just
here.
have a look of this.
You can just go and you can have some startups. They're interacting there.
Okay.
I think so, right?
This is okay.
Yeah.
So they can just interacting with them.
Yes. So they interact with our startups. Our startup gets, for example, if you're looking to purchase hardware, they give it at a lesser price to our startups.
Oh.
So our startups can actually pick up their hardware from here at a much more subsidized or discounted cost. Right?
And what's this
These are all
area?
some
Very
startups
interesting.
These are some startups who are sitting and working on
Okay, that's their office.
Yeah,
Like,
this is like an office space. We got some meeting rooms in the corner.
some creative guys I can
Those
see.
are
with-
telephone booths.
Privacy.
Soundproof telephone
I have
booths,
seen
what we
this
have.
one, digital studio.
Yes. So what we
What's
also
that
have-
digital studio here?
So
Let's
a lot
explore.
of startups have requirements to shoot their product videos,
Hmm.
product photographs.
Hmm.
So we have a digital studio which is set up here.
Oh, this is the studio,
Yeah,
right?
this is the digital
So
studio.
let's see what's here. Oh, wow.
So this is a digital studio. This is a digital
You
studio
can
that we
market
have
like
set up.
makes ads or promotion
Yes.
activity if you have to
So
do.
this is
Hi,
Mrs.
I know
Pratibha.
her.
Yeah.
Hi,
of course.
ma'am. How are you? Finally, I'm here doing a story on Tea Hub.
Yeah, see, this is
So-
what we do at Tea Hub. We mix it up. We help you
Yes,
get to know each
So,
other.
just explain me about this digital studio.
What we do is that's the content which every startup needs at whatever level they are, whether they are for market or whether.
Shoots, promotion, everything you take care.
So we conceptualize the whole thing and we do that. So that's how we are.
Like basically startups ads.
Yes, you can say that it starts from the pitch video.
Okay.
Till that.
So all technology is available. Camera, I can see all setup is there.
Setup is here, and then so it's a very integrated kind of a thing. So whenever they need, immediately also sometimes they come. So like कल जाना है conference.
So how much time you take? Like what deadline you need to be given? 1 hour before if we come, make a ad, you will make it.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. In which ways, it's all a creative field.
I know. A lot of time
But
it takes.
we try to do something. Sometimes even we have given, somebody had a launch, Automator, they had a conference in high tech. So we could do
Is it
animated video for them in 48 hours.
So is any fee structure is there?
Yeah, there are. They
Minimal.
are paid, of course. They are all services are all paid, of course.
So
But
they
yes,
may be minimal. Like
being in T-Hub, we are competitive and we are quite, pocket friendly. You can
yes,
say
of
that.
course, because they are startups. We are
Yeah.
here to support them.
Yeah, absolutely. That's one of the reasons. And one cutting edge, what I can say is, see, we also we run a flagship program with T-Hub that is called Cinepreneur.
Okay.
Making cinema as a business. So what is that little differently? What we can do is usually the startups are a little camera shy. So they
So you train them also how to give the interviews.
Yeah.
I think next time they will teach. He should teach them because he's giving a good interview.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's taking us for the T-Hub tour.
He's become one of the experts in hosting and stuff.
So that was a good idea, and it was good exploring that. So we'll catch up again.
It's such a pleasure.
That's a good idea, like digital
Yeah.
studio. You're
So
giving
most startups-
finance, promotion.
Finance,
All
promotion.
sectors have been covered.
Yeah, अभी हम
Yes.
first floor पे हैं.
It's just, that's what I'm saying. We are just on first floor.
Yeah.
So it's nothing, you're just only giving a place,
we
buy
are
it.
we are an enabler.
That's what
whatever
I'm saying.
you- yeah.
Mostly T-Hub comes with this concept, okay, you need a place, pay this
Yes.
much money and do it. But
Yes.
as we are seeing it, it's not that only.
Yeah.
It's more than that.
Yeah, it's a lot
The
more than that.
conception is more.
Yes. So and most founders also are not ready to face the camera. Or they not had training to face the camera.
Yes.
So
Marketing you need, no doubt in
you
that.
need marketing,
You need to talk.
you need branding, you need PR. So we prepare them for all of that as well.
Okay.
And of course, there will be a consumption charge.
Yeah.
What she uses, she spends.
But
beyond
under
all
one
of that
roof
is-
you're getting. You don't
under
need
one.
to go here and there. And
Yeah, आपको product shoot करना है, ऊपर से directly नीचे आ जाइए. You have your shoot ready.
Shoot ready and
And
everything.
next
is
day
there.
you have a
So
conference.
now we're
or-
going to second floor.
Yeah, second floor.
So what we'll see in second floor?
So second floor is a little more importance heavy piece. Like we have embassy offices. Right?
Okay.
We have
Ambassadors who come from other countries
yes.
here.
Also, there are some embassies who want to actually have a full-time presence here.
Okay.
Yes. So there are some
They want to
embassies.
set up their branch
Yes.
here.
I mean, the French embassy is setting up an extension counter inside T-Hub.
Okay.
They have set up around 800 square feet of area staying
So
inside
like we used
T-Hub.
to have embassies. So can in future in T-Hub we'll have more embassies?
Not
programs?
more embassies.
Like,
Yes. So if our startups want to go abroad, how do we enable that?
yeah, that's when we need,
So
we need
we
to
get
go
these
to
embassies,
embassies.
to set up a desk here, right?
So for the startups, this embassy will be there.
Yes.
Oh,
So
wow.
we had foreign trade offices.
Great,
we have the
man.
confederation of
So this is the office?
No, we have to go inside.
Okay.
It's on the other side.
So now we are going for startups.
No, so we have what? So these are again.
Embassy
so-
work is also done
Yes.
for traveling work.
No,
Oh.
it's not. It's not a full fledged, but definitely
still.
you get a lot of consultancy, right? How do I do it? Right? I might not get a visa or something
Yeah,
like that,
yeah.
but at least I know how to do a soft landing in those places,
Hmm.
right? Who to approach, what to
Yes,
approach, what are
yes.
the trade bodies
And
there.
plus, you can travel and explore your business to other countries. That
Absolutely,
platform you are
absolutely.
giving.
So if you feel that your product has got more demand there,
Hmm.
or the pricing power is more there
In other countries.
in other countries, you can always explore of going beyond India,
Yes, of course.
right? So and we are helping our startups to grow global,
Great.
right? Good your footprint not only in India but beyond India. Right? And that is one major theme that we run.
So what are the embassies till
So
now
if you
have
see,
come?
this is the investor office.
Okay.
So we also have investors who come and sit on here on a weekly basis.
Okay.
So abhi the biggest problem is that startups are here but investors nahi hai. Most investors are centered around Bangalore,
Okay.
are centered around Mumbai, are centered around Gurgaon.
Hmm.
So what we ask them is we ask them to come and sit at least 2 days a week, 1 day a week here.
Oh.
So we get them here. We
Yes.
do conferences for them, conclaves for them.
Mhm.
We pick up startups. We put
Okay.
them into a room with them. They
So
do a
till now,
demo
other
day.
countries whom have shown the interest, like which of the countries ambassadors actually?
So we have the
yeah.
French embassy here.
Okay, French embassy.
We have the embassy of, we have Government of Wales having an setup here.
Okay.
Government of Ireland is having a setup here.
Okay.
We work very, very closely with the US Embassy.
Great.
In fact, when the US Ambassador to India, the Honorable Eric Garcetti came to India, I think T-Hub was a place that he didn't want to miss.
Oh.
In fact, he had his press conference out of T-Hub.
Oh, great.
His press conference for Hyderabad was out of T-Hub.
Oh.
So that is the embassy office in the right. Then you
Okay.
have these investor offices.
Okay.
You have all of
The
these
all cabins are
meeting
there.
rooms.
Meeting rooms.
Yeah, so if you want to have privacy, you want to take a meeting or something.
Something,
then,
yeah,
Then
all-
you use up. You
So
use
the
up
all
these
areas
meeting
given
rooms.
for that, like
Yes, this whole area is given out for that. You have a lot of meeting rooms inside.
for ambassador, like
Yes,
they
so
want to
that
go.
corner that you see, that
I
is for
got
the
it.
embassy offices and for the investors. So it's a little
So
bit
in T-Hub
sectoral.
we have an ambassador office also.
Yes, the embassy
Great.
council general.
If you want to
office.
go out of India, establish your brand there. For startup, it's really a
Yes.
huge
So
opportunity.
we have signed MOUs to almost 40 countries
Oh.
today. So if a startup wants to step outside India,
Mm-hmm.
we will be able to enable them to have that conversation with all of those countries.
So all will be like facilitated by you.
Yes, so
all
we
the
have-
initiatives, communication will be taken care of by
Yes,
you.
so we help their startups set up in India,
Mhm.
and they help our startups set up in their
sit there.
country, right? So if their startup comes here, right,
Mm.
incorporation, taxation, company secretary, compliance, all of that pieces, hiring, all of that pieces, we help them come up here,
Mm.
figure out what they want, enable all of that for them. So all our startups, when they go there,
Hmm.
they also get the similar treatment there.
Great, great.
So
and the
there-
interior and tech wise also all updated here.
Yeah. Please.
I can see the interior part. Like I like the interior parts.
Yeah.
The upstairs that we can see, you know. You don't feel like, oh, I have to go to office.
Yeah. You come.
We have not done like
हाँ,
this.
chill करते हैं और बीच में
Chill,
काम
हाँ,
कर
बीच में
लेंगे.
काम करेंगे. You've given that color combinations
Yeah,
and the
so at the end of the day, you need to be able to work in a very, very ergonomic environment.
Yes, right. So now we are going to third floor.
We are going to the third floor. So that is where the T-Hub staff and the T-Hub team sits out of.
Yes.
And that is where this entire building runs out of,
I
so
know.
to speak. But also the...
I love this third floor ka concept. See?
Yeah.
If my cameraman can focus on these lights. The normally offices ka aisa environment hota nahi hai when you're going out somewhere, you know.
हाँ.
So you given a
Generally
very
office में होता है
office
कि
look nahi
इस
है.
जगह में कितने सीट लगा
हाँ,
सकते हैं.
बस. But here we see something like spacious and you know.
Yes, yes.
And color combination I can see the
Yeah.
orange,
This is
yellow.
probably the most snazziest government building that you
Yes,
can find
yes,
probably.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Very creatively designed.
So what we also have in T-Hub is we have centers of excellence.
Okay.
So we have a lot of themes like healthcare, mobility. For every of them, we are having centers of excellence.
Okay.
Like for example, Apollo is setting up a center of excellence for Apollo Tires.
Okay.
Is setting up a center of excellence for mobility.
Okay.
All vehicles, EVs में जो भी काम करना है, किसी को भी कोई startup काम कर रहा है, if they want support in that, so they will like
Come.
the French embassy is going to set up their office here.
Okay.
They
This
just
is
yeah.
okay. This room is booked for
This room-
French embassy.
Interiors are going to start here,
Okay.
but very soon you will have them sitting out of this and working out of this place.
So as we can see, this is the embassy setup.
So they are going to set up. They are started on 1st of August, and they'll be doing their interiors very soon.
Oh.
And anybody wants any help with setting up their establishment in the French embassy office for in France, for
They'll
example,
be easy going.
this will be a liaison point for
So
them.
now here I can see all people are working so happily. So like this is okay. You have given a space for a different way also, two sides.
Yeah, both sides से है.
Okay.
So this is more of the flexi space. So we
Okay.
have 3-4 kind of seating here. एक तो होता है कि fixed seating.
Like this is a fixed
This
sitting.
is a flexi seating.
Flexi sitting.
So
and
इसमें
this
आपको देखेंगे कि किसी टेबल के ऊपर नाम नहीं लिखा हुआ है किसी कंपनी का, right? If you look sort of previous
Yeah,
tables,
they have
their company
mentioned the
names
names.
है. So here you can come in and whichever seat is available, you can come and sit and use there.
Okay.
So the costing is slightly lesser.
Okay.
Right.
Just
For the-
per hours or per day.
Per day.
You can work on that issue.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
work on that. So currently, we are priced at almost 30 to 40% lesser than establishments like other establishments of similar kinds. Other establishments of similar kinds charge around 15,000 to 16,000 per
Okay.
seat per month.
Per month.
Yeah,
That's-
our cost is around 7,500 to 8,000
Oh.
per seat per
And per
month.
hour कैसे रहता है? Like
Per
how
hour
it
नहीं
works?
होता है हमारा
Like
पास.
whole day. One day you.
One
take-
day.
One day.
Yeah, one day is somewhere around
Or
400.
1 week में 3 days. There's
Yeah,
packages.
So you can do
work.
that also.
Okay.
You can do it per day basis also.
And this area sitting, I can.
This is a common area just to
The
chill out.
common.
Yeah, if you like
Okay, you
sitting
just sit
there to
and
go
relax.
to eat. So
Like in
So you
your,
will
I can
notice
see
that-
this lady, she's so relaxedly working.
yeah, so we've
In a-
tried to keep
like
a
a-
lot of these common areas.
You feel like
should,
a home.
You should not be bound to a desk.
Yes, yes.
Right?
So they feel like area, like feel
Yeah.
like home.
Yeah.
So from
We
there,
also are pretty fitness conscious.
okay.
So we have a gym here.
Wow, that's good. We need it, right?
Yeah.
Like hold it 8, 9 hours you're walking. See? Wow, nice gym. I loved it. So you guys are having full exercise, work with exercise.
Yes.
So you are from
that's-
T-Hub startup?
Yeah, no, not from T-Hub, the startup. My startup works from here.
Got it. Got it.
Great.
Awesome.
So you are here to like enjoy the gym part.
Yeah.
So maybe you can get a real life
Exact.
testimony. So how do you like
Yeah,
T-Hub?
yeah.
How's the
Love
ambience?
it, Love it. It's a great space to work, interact with everyone. It's great.
So what is the startup is all about?
So my startup basically makes business solutions for retailers.
Oh.
We make software solutions, and yeah, that's it. So we are. I focus on the marketing part.
So you got a break. Now you were doing some
Yes.
dance and Zumba.
Some Zumba
So
time.
that's a good facility, you know.
Yes,
you can have you don't need to go out and
Yeah.
health is important.
Yeah. So in fact, we have seen a lot of people using this facility.
Yeah, I can see.
So on the
you have
10th
given.
floor, we are going to open out the entire 10th floor for a facility like this.
Oh,
Billiards table, pool table, table tennis,
and it's
caroms.
highly technologized. She was just watching this and doing this.
Yeah.
The screen part.
So this is again one of our startups.
Mm-hmm.
So this is called Portal.
This is also a startup.
Yeah, this is made by a startup called Portal.
Okay.
And they were featured on Shark Tank. They raised a round of funding
If
and
you
things like
can
that.
just explain us how it's used.
So
So people-
basically, there are these workouts that you can choose from. So there are these.
You have to connect to Wi-Fi.
Yeah. So you have to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then you get these workouts.
Workout. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can choose the beginner one if you're beginner.
Hmm.
Then start.
And do that.
Yeah, and whatever she says, you can direct it, and
You don't need coach. You don't need
No. And
instructors.
it'll tell you if you're doing it right or not.
Oh wow!
Doing it right.
Digital
Yes.
high tech gym. I love this startup. Who
Yeah.
she's it? Forte?
This is Indranil. The name of the founder is Indranil. So this is a device which is here, and it will help you do your entire workout. And if it'll scan where you're standing and it'll tell you if you're doing it right or wrong also.
Wow, great. So it's amazing. I think we should have a special story on this. So it's like designed like you can.
So anybody can come here. This is for us.
It's only
us.
for T-Hub only.
No, it
Exclusive.
is exclusive for. So this is placed here for T-Hub.
Huh.
So any of our team members want to come and use it, they can use it any point of time.
If they want to buy it,
Yeah, it's available for sale.
How?
I'll get you connected with Indranil. So he will send one across to you.
maybe this startup is.
It is a startup.
Other.
Yeah, he's doing very well.
Yeah,
I
other
think
corporate people must be taking this.
Yes,
other companies,
yes,
IT companies.
At home also, no? If you switch it off, it becomes a mirror.
Yeah, it does. It becomes a mirror.
So it's a mirror
Wow.
now. Are
So now it's a mirror. Yeah.
It's a mirror at home. So you put it
Wow.
on the door of your cupboard or something like that.
Ah.
And when you want to train out, you close the cupboard door and start off the trainer.
I loved it. I think this one story is like need to be focused specially.
Yeah.
Great.
So this is one of our T-Hub startups. So we try and infuse our startups as much as we can into the ecosystem.
Full creativity. The environment, it's affecting their mind, and then this is output.
Yeah.
Great. So I think this is not the startup like these. Only this one was the startup.
This is one of the
machine.
startups. Yeah,
Good.
this is one of the startups.
So this is all the facilities. There is a coach here. Like,
There is. But he comes at timing.
Okay,
he
they
comes
have
at
the
around 4 p.m.
appointment, so-
Yeah, he comes at around 4 p.m. every day. And he stays till around 8,
for the
9.
startup gym. So
For the
it's
startup gym.
like you have to pay for it or
Nope,
like
it's on the house.
Huh?
It's on the house.
Okay.
There is
It's
no
a-
payment.
No
kuch bhi nahi
payment,
hai.
nothing.
We pay the trainer.
Oh,
So
that's a
T-Hub takes
facility
care.
and
It's a
that's-
facility that we are providing for all our startups.
who
You should
works
also,
here.
you should understand
Health
that
conscious.
one is that, right? Second is whatever we do at a collective level.
Yes.
Like for example, if you are a startup, right, and you have 3 or 4 members, now आपके startups को you will not get a health insurance
Yes.
because minimum for group insurance is 10 people.
Yeah.
So what we do is we say, hey, we've got 3,000 people.
Okay.
Now T-Hub picks up that insurance.
Okay.
So even if you're a startup with 3 or 4 people, your team members get insurance now.
Oh, great.
So people don't join startups because if I join a multinational company, I get health insurance, right?
True, true.
But if I join a startup, I'm not entitled to that
True, true.
because insurance companies are not catered for
So
that.
that's why you kept it the gym.
Yeah, one way of looking at it.
But the interior part, if we talk about the color combinations and this Can you just talk about that? Like,
So we wanted to keep it
if I
aspirational for
can see the
youngsters to come in.
cabin, half divide is there and the color combination. If you can
Yeah.
just focus
So we
the way it
wanted to-
has the lighting part and the
Yeah, so we want to
floor.
keep it very, very new
Hmm.
for young people. We understand that most startups, people who want to join startups is because of the freshness,
Yes, the
bec-
look,
because the look, feel, the
Hmm.
snazzy, neo
the
feel
color
that they want to get.
combinations.
So to help people, help startup attracts good talent.
Hmm.
We keep it young. We keep
Yeah.
it fresh, so people feel good when they come and
Yes,
use out of
yes.
this place.
Not the usual stuff, normal office.
Yeah, yeah,
I can see that.
yeah. So we have a lot of conferences, conclaves. which
Acha,
keep
this
happening.
is
Yeah.
the conference room.
Yeah. So and most of it are capacity building. We
Okay.
have, which means that we arrange for conclaves for example.
This is basically a conference room.
No, this is a breakout area.
Okay.
This is an open area. That is an events room where you can come and have small events of 50 members.
Okay, events.
You want to have a 50 members per gathering.
But this
you
can
do
be
it.
done used for some programs.
This is used for this is used by startups to have a get together, to have a
get
gathering.
together, and
You
they
want
can
to
use
have a
this
small
place.
high tea or something like that.
Or
You can call-
campaign.
campaign,
Campaigns you can do here.
training program.
Training
So
programs.
you can pull down that
The
sheet
sheet
here.
you can
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. It's mechanical. This thing is not connected.
Okay.
So this comes down.
Okay.
You put your projector there, and you
Ah.
have a training session.
Training session.
So this come down as a screen,
Okay.
and this becomes a training session.
Like
here,
you
training
given
area.
a feel of college or school outdoors
Yeah.
रहता है ना.
Should
you
have
sit-
fun while doing it.
Yes.
The whole theme is to keep your team excited.
Yes. I can see the kind of walls have been designed,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
interior point of view also.
Yeah.
So the sitting wise, you feel like you're in a college or school, outside bunk करने आए हैं, and you're sitting and just
Yeah.
watching the campaign.
आपको बंक करके मॉल जाने की जरूरत नहीं है,
नहीं
बंक
है।
करके इधर ही आ जाओ.
इधर ही आ जाओ. That's a good one. But everywhere I've seen this plantation work is done more.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
we see this point, how the maintenance wise it's
So
working.
we have people who come and do a maintenance. We have an in-house team who does constant maintenance.
Like you have done more on the
We keep it fresh
plantation.
all the time. Yeah. And all of this is fresh. It's not artificial.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Yeah.
Yes.
I can see that wall. It's so interesting. And there is what you do something great today.
Yeah.
I can just want to focus on that. So the inspiration lines are also focused on the walls,
So
And if we talk about these lamps and all that, you have worked more on the lamps
yeah.
and lighting part,
It is
interior.
very important. I mean, the kind of lighting that you work at, the kind of ambience that you create, the kind of environment that you create. I think a lot of people work towards that itself. I mean, you have a
Lighting.
great time when you're working.
Okay,
So,
so this area is?
So this is a part of this area is the common area.
This is the third floor we are
This is
in.
the third floor.
Your
we are in.
main T
This
Hub
is the heart
employers.
of this is the heart of T Hub.
Exactly.
If you can
From
call
where it works, they
Yeah.
get food.
it. Yeah.
So this is
So
all.
This is
T
the
Hub.
entire T Hub team. If you can focus that
Okay.
side. So this is where the entire T Hub team sits out. So all the operations of T Hub.
And this
so the
is all
T-Hub-
sitting area.
This is all sitting area, and this is the startups, various startups that you see.
That side, if we can focus all the startup areas.
Yeah, so these are various startups who have individual desks and who are working out of here. So this team, our T-Hub team here, facilitates the entire building activity that is going on.
Okay.
It could be events, it could be conferences, it could be helping startups in getting what they want.
Okay.
For example, we have something like the mentor desk there.
Okay.
So we have around 200 odd mentors
Okay.
who help startups in anything that they want.
Oh.
Like for example, if you're a health tech startup, you know,
Health.
and you are selling directly to customer, and you want to create a new product, so you will not find any training course for it anywhere in the world.
Yes.
The best person for it to help you will be a
Yeah.
healthcare guy
He'll
who
be
has done a
available.
B2B startup in product.
Oh,
So we
okay.
engage him with that kind of a resource, so that he can help. He'll be the best person to help you.
So this is all area, like this area.
Yeah, this
Yeah, this
entire
is-
area, this half
And there
of
is
this
a,
floor.
like KTR sir's a favorite place where
Yeah,
he
that's
comes
boardroom,
and
I
do
think, yeah.
meetings.
Yeah,
Where he do?
yeah.
Jayesh Ranjan sir.
Yeah, I think Jason sir was there in the morning today.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
these are
So
all
the-
bigger
this
meeting
is-
rooms.
KTR sir.
No. This is
You
a
don't
bigger
sit
meeting
here.
room.
Okay. The conferences, presentations, everything is done. So where KTR sir sits and do his meeting.
I think that room is that side. But another very important thing is in Telangana, there are a few organizations which are really focused towards working with startups. All of them sit out of the building.
Oh.
Like this is an agency called Research and Innovation Circle of Hyderabad.
Okay.
It is headed by Dr. Ajit Rangnekar.
Okay.
He was one of the deans of ISB.
Okay.
So they connect the industry with the academia.
Okay. Okay.
Right? This is TSIC or Telangana State Innovation Cell.
Okay, all these
This is a
cabins.
government, yeah, it's a government body for innovation in the Telangana state. So
These
base it
are
out
all
of here.
cabin.
This
Okay.
cabin is for them, right?
And this
And
is sir?
this is आपका favorite KTR sir.
KTR sir. So
Yeah,
here
India is
KTR sir sits and do meeting.
Yeah,
We'll
but
just,
there's a meeting going on. But yeah.
you can just come inside. So this is a KTR sir favorite room, favorite meeting
Sorry.
room.
Yeah, so आपको काफी सारे उनके इंटरव्यूज में फोटोग्राफ्स में सारा ये रूम दिखता है.
The world
And-
largest innovation campus. So he comes most of the time, KTR sir, and do all these his meetings here.
Yes, so most of his meetings regarding to IT or IT secretary,
Whatever.
meeting of delegation.
Favorite place.
Yeah, this is what happens here.
So simple and elegant, right?
Yeah, most delegations, foreign leaders,
Hmm.
when they come do an interaction with them or senior leaders of
So they
leading
all come here.
corporates, this is where we meet up with them.
Okay.
And this is where we have their briefing, give them an orientation about what T-Hub does.
Mhm. So what are the main things he looks for when this was designed, and you know that KTR sir is going to do meeting. So what basic thing he looks for?
No, I think
Hmm.
he's a very easy to work with guy.
Hmm,
First point number one,
Hmm.
and he doesn't have too many expectations. He's
Hmm.
very focused on the work that has to get delivered.
Mhm.
Right? Is what is the impact that you are creating.
Mhm.
Ambience and all is, I think he
Is-
thinks it is
is
secondary.
not
It's secondary for him. It is who is
A
meeting,
color
what is meeting.
combination, or he wants something. Wi-Fi should be very high, or something sounds like I can see. The desk are
Yeah,
there.
how can
Is
we do the most work in the least time?
it- Okay.
I think he is more focused on that.
Okay.
A very metrics driven person, which
Mhm.
means he looks for numbers, he looks for impact, he looks for outcomes.
Hmm.
It's a very
On
output.
daily basis, he have meetings here.
No.
or
Typically once or twice a week
One
is what
or
he comes
twice.
here, and of course, if there's a very senior delegation which comes, then he comes over here
Okay.
whenever the delegation comes in here.
That's
Uh,
his favorite.
Yeah. But
KTR's our favorite room.
yeah. So I think that is what he more looks for on
Hmm.
what is the impact that we can deliver, or how impactful is that time that he's spending here.
Good. So it's nice to see KTR sir boarding room, like boardroom where he do most of his meetings in T-Hub.
Yeah. Apart from that, what T-Hub, it's not about the building, it's more about what happens inside.
Inside
the building.
also so much is happening. We just
Exactly.
explore it. Like you're not just giving a table or chair.
Yeah. So we engage with almost 2,500 startups.
Okay.
We have engaged around 2,500.
Now how
startups.
many startups are still,
As of now, we have got only 6 floors operational.
okay.
By September, we'll have another floor.
So right now how many startups are working
There are
here?
around 300 startups physically working out of here.
Okay.
But digitally, we are engaged with around 1,500 more.
And how many lives have changed? Like, is any one of the experience you can share?
Yeah,
A youngest startup person without money, and
we have college students who come and work out of here.
most of the college people.
Yes, we have
On
people
what
who are-
topics they are working on? Mostly, I think digital wise they are
No,
working.
you'll be surprised. Yes, there are people who have digital wise, but lot of them are thinking from impact perspective, right? How can I change people's life, social impact?
Wow.
Kids this age are looking from that perspective, right? A lot of, as they keep older, of course, they move more towards tech and tech empowerment and tech enablement. But right from 11th class, 12th class, learning about entrepreneurship. They're moving from becoming job seekers to job
entrepreneurs. Creators.
right? And that is what we want to build out.
Yes.
See, even if 10% of students become job creators and hire 5 people each, then 60% of our employment problem is solved.
The youngest startup you have here, youngest.
So see, to be recognized as a startup, you have to register yourself with DPIIT.
So,
But-
is any youngest
But there are a lot
startup?
of programs and projects that a lot of young college students do out of this place.
Like 20, 21 years, boys and girls are doing.
No, 17, 18.
17, 18
Yeah.
also.
So we do college programs.
Hmm.
In fact, what we do is every second and fourth Thursday, we get college students to T-Hub.
Oh,
We show, like how we are showing you around,
Yes,
we show them around.
around, yeah.
This is the opportunity that you have.
Explore it, use it.
Explore it, use it. This is how you can reach out to us,
Hmm.
right? Colleges comes, faculty comes, we do it for teachers, we do it for lecturers,
Hmm.
so that we can understand what is the power of entrepreneurship,
It's true.
the power of innovation.
Mostly people think, maybe for some colleges and school people, like, maybe it's very expensive.
Yeah.
It's not easy to go inside, but which is wrong myth, I think.
No, we actually
It's for
encourage a
the
lot of.
youngsters, come and use it.
So in fact, we tell them, you come through the main gate, directly you come. We have a separate desk which
Okay.
engages with who come walking in.
Okay.
So people come and walk in, reception call करेगा, sir, T-Hub के लिए मिलने के लिए लोग आए हैं. So a guy will go down, show him around the place. We've trained a lot of our own staff.
And how many more startups can come in and join?
So we're
How much
opening out
place
a
you
floor.
have you can provide?
So we have opening out a floor every 3 months. So at full capacity, we'll be having 3,200 seats out of this place.
That much you can.
Yes, which corresponds to
that
around
space.
800 to 1,000 startups
Okay.
physically. Because
But
lot
digitally
of,
also you are giving.
yes,
the
digitally
place,
we
but-
want to do another 1,500, 2,000 more. We are doing right now. See, but you should understand that a lot of space. We're not trying to cram seats.
Yes,
I could have
yes.
put in- I
you're
could have put in a
giving the
50 seats here.
space, yeah.
But we
The
want
space and the ambience and look is more important.
exactly. That is what we want to focus on.
Yes.
And leverage what we have to
Creativity
offer.
should not be closed, bounded.
Correct.
The freedom.
What we have also done is that we've bought a lot of value product. Like अगर आप startup हो, right? आपको lawyer की जरूरत है. You
अच्छा,
require
legal
company
side.
secretary, legal company secretary. You require Amazon cloud credit, right?
Okay.
A lot of all of that stuff, right? You want to
Okay.
hire somebody, right? Even Uber discount also we give.
Wow.
We sign up with Uber. We sign up with Hard Rock Cafe.
Oh.
So when our startups go there, they actually this card will get you 25% discount,
Wow.
right? So we startup with
On the
almost
work on the transport area also.
yes. For example, if you want a Zoho platform, if you want a HR platform, right? We sign up with Zoho to give a discounted price to all our startups. Right? So we've 39 such categories we've created. Each category we've empaneled three partners each. Right? Once we empaneled three partners each, we ask them, are you the best in the business? And what is the best rate that you can get for our startups? So if you are looking for a lawyer, for example, how long does it take to find a lawyer?
Take
तीन
time.
है ना 3-4 महीने तो लग ही जाते
लगेगा,
हैं.
time
You
भी.
ask your parents.
This is the
Yeah,
fifth
yeah,
floor
this is the
now.
fifth floor.
I can see the most important part, food, which is also, you know,
Yeah.
breakfast, lunch. You come in the morning. So I think we should focus on that also, food
Yeah.
part. So
So
this
we
is
have-
your food part.
Yeah. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, all three are arranged for your group. So that a lot of young people stay in PGs.
Okay, yeah. So they,
Right. So for them, it's very important to get good nutrition.
yeah, I can
to
see
get
it's neat and
options, eating options. अभी वो snacks का
Reasonable.
snacks का time
Snacks
है
time हो
तो
गया.
बोंडा बन रहा है यहाँ पे.
I know Monda and all that stuff is there.
Yeah, and also you have, for example, you can have sprouts if you're a
Okay,
healthy eater.
So they're reasonable costs only, not the high
Sorry?
rates. Rates wise.
Very, very subsidized. Very
Okay.
subsidized because we sign up, we take vendors on the same two
Okay.
criteria. Are you the
Okay.
best? And what is the best price?
Best price, because again, startups,
Most budget friendly.
budget friendly, you have to give them.
Yes, we have to give them.
So I'm
budget-friendly
happy with
option.
your food
Yeah.
area. People are
Yeah,
having fun.
yeah. So again, if you see again,
Your
this
tea hub tea is very good. We always.
is supposed to be yes.
No,
yes.
it's very nice.
We try to keep it as close to Irani chai as possible.
Yes. It's not like a normal coffee tea, like the Hyderabadi taste tea. It
Yes,
tastes
we also
like
provide
that.
a lot of organic, healthy options. These are all our startups again.
Okay, these are all.
Yes, yes.
Health-wise, yeah,
Yes,
I know
health-wise option that. we put. Also on the fifth floor, what we have is we have an events area here.
Yes, I know. Okay, yeah. We can just.
Yeah. So we have an events area here. A lot of startups have these conferences, conclaves, events.
Yes, promotion
Up to
activities.
400 people is what this can.
So, how many people can come in that? 400, 4 to
Yes.
500.
Up to 400 to 500 people is what it can accommodate. You can
see
put
it,
up
we
a
can show
stage
it.
here.
So, around 400 people can be.
Yeah, around 400
More than
people
4
can.
to 500. And this is the front.
Yeah, this is the stage. You can have a drop there. You can put
I
up a
can see
digital
all
screen.
lighting, camera, everything has been given.
Yeah.
If I can show my cameraman, the all lighting facilities, you can have a nice
Yes,
press
yes.
conference or something like.
So one interesting fun fact is that last month, in 30 days, we did 44 events.
Oh, great. And I love this concept of lighting again. You
Yeah,
have worked
yeah.
more on that, you know, the lighting part and the designs. So all kind of lighting, camera. So there will be a person who's taking care of everything is
Yes, we
arranged.
have an amazing facility staff,
Okay.
Vinay.
So they take technically part, everything
Yes,
is
so
ready.
Vinay coordinates for all our events that are happening here in T Hub.
Okay.
And he's a one-point stop. So anything आपको कराना है तो as far as this
Mostly
thing is
when we have
concerned.
to organize events, 10 तरह का, you know, so much of hass is there, you know. उसको lights नहीं है, this is not available. Just we want to do the event, everything is arranged.
See, it comes down to our fundamental concept. ना आप अपना business पे focus कीजिए. The rest
बाकी
everything leave it to
leave
us.
it to T-Hub.
Leave it to us.
Good, good,
So we facilitate everything that you want us to facilitate.
good. So that's the conference area. You
This
can,
is the conference area. We can split it up into two. If you want to have a smaller gathering,
Small, you can divide.
you can divide it into two parts. This is the 5th floor. This is the
Okay.
events area or the common area.
Common
for
area,
common
promotional
area.
activity.
Promotional
So
activities.
you have not left this area. वो old age पुराने ज़माने का याद आता है ना? We used to do trump calls and you know that much privacy you are giving. Sit and talk
Sit and, yeah.
as much you can. What the concept is like, really. So in every floor, these are there.
Every floor you find all of these booths.
Okay, booths.
Most of the time you're a single man, you're taking a single call, and then you don't want to disturb others in an open area.
Yeah.
Because some startups just take an open spot like that, right? They 3-4 seats लेते हैं, meeting room or enclosed facility नहीं है. So if they want to take a call which is important, which is confidential, then this is an option for them.
And I like this balcony. We can explore
Yeah,
and show
we'll
it the
walk.
view. This is again snacks time. Two sides, that side,
Yeah.
this side. I've seen risk more than others think is safe, dream more than others think is practical. So, CEO of Starbucks. So I've seen that, you know, the CEO's quotation also have been
Yeah.
focused more. Like, you know, I've been just observing this. So
Yeah.
this I like the quote. I want to focus.
We would like to think that you never know what will spark
Yes.
an idea in you, what will spark an inspiration in you.
Yes, and with the photo you have kept it.
Yeah.
So you keep motivating your team,
Yeah.
the startup people. So I can see, you know, people want to have tea, relax, whole day, come to your balcony. So it's like a home balcony, you know, again.
Yeah.
Like the kind of, again, plantation.
Yeah.
They're standing. I can see all their faces. They're relaxed and having a tea part. So this area is like very much focused.
Yeah.
The huge area.
It's a huge area for people to come.
Yes.
Chai, sham ka chai, nice rain. People who are, worried about Hyderabad raining.
Yeah.
But these are the best place to sit out and
Sit
have your
and
chai.
enjoy the rain
Enjoy
also,
the rain also.
view and all that.
So another piece is that if you look at this, right, like an 18 area piece of land.
Okay.
So in this, there are 3 facilities which are coming up.
Okay.
One is Tea Hub,
Okay.
which is business incubation.
Okay.
Everything to do with business.
Okay.
Right? That is Tea Works.
Okay.
That is to do with hardware prototyping.
Okay.
It is India's largest and best hardware prototyping establishment.
Okay.
Rocket parts वहाँ पे machine होते हैं, 3D satellite get printed out of there. I'm very sophisticated equipment can be prototyped.
Oh.
So if you are a startup and you want to build a hardware product, you take your design there. They will they'll refine your design.
Oh.
They'll build out your first prototype, and then you can take that design prototype and go and get manufactured anywhere.
Wow. And I can see the good parking area.
Yeah. The third part is that building that is coming up right now.
Okay.
That is a 15 lakh square feet building for entire digital innovation.
Oh my
So
God.
this is 6 lakh of business incubation. That is 2 lakh of hardware incubation, and that
That
is
building
15 lakh of digital innovation.
That's also part of Tea
Yes,
Hub.
same campus, all 3.
This much big campus.
Yes.
The upcoming digital.
Yeah. So this was inaugurated in 2022.
Oh.
That was inaugurated in 2023.
Okay.
And that is likely to come up in 2024.
Wow.
So totally milake, it is
Huge
24.
campus.
It's 24 lakh square feet of innovation.
Okay.
That is why we are called the largest innovation campus in the world.
It's the largest.
1,000 startups, business incubation, hardware prototype आपको बनाना है, digital innovation करना है. Almost 25 lakh, 24 lakh square feet of innovation happens here. So from an idea to an IPO, the aspiration is to be able to support that entire journey.
So biggest campus like Tea Hub. Hub chota pad raha hai. Now Hub is very small if we talk about.
Yeah.
So I think in upcoming years we can cover the digital innovation. What it will be like, more of the technologies.
Yes, so
that
it is
will
called
be
Image
integrated.
Towers. Animation, gaming, multimedia, entertainment.
Oh.
The entire building is going to be focused towards
Focus on that.
I am very sure you already know, right? India is like the hub of animation.
Yes, yes.
Right? So all of the media, animation, entertainment, all of that is going to be focused out of there. AR, VR, MR, all of that is going to be focused out of there.
Wow. I mean,
So digital, business and
I
hardware.
was not having that much knowledge coming before here. I researched about it, Tea Hub, but I was just thinking, okay, they must be giving place only or little bit of facilities, but
Yeah,
that
yeah.
much facilities are like huge.
Yeah.
I think.
So I think that is why we are like so sought after. Today we have a waiting list of almost, and that is 1,500 startups.
Still
List,
waiting.
waiting. So that is why we are like we want to go to a more like a phygital model.
Yeah.
Part digital, part physical. क्योंकि आप जितना भी कर लो, you cannot keep building, right? You have to have an alternate solution. So we are coming out with a phygital model where even if you are not sitting out of T-Hub physically, you should still be able to get all the benefits that have started
backup
getting out of
support,
here.
a backup support.
Backup
If they are
support.
not the office support they are getting,
Yes.
the space wise, the backup support
Everything
you can
else you should be able to get. The funding support hoga, mentorship support hoga, value
promotion,
partner-
marketing,
promotion, marketing, branding, leverage the
training
tier
for the
brand,
new
training,
products.
the centers of excellence, which will give you like the real time, best quality tools and equipment to be able to build faster. All of that is what we enable.
My God,
it's-
I mean,
The space is probably the smallest element.
yeah, it's like in the facility, we just think, okay, only the offices will be there. But
Yeah.
there are different segments we just, today we discovered.
So we're also
So-
hoping to start up something called like a startup helpline.
Okay,
Right?
that's
so
important.
One
yeah.
common number, anybody who
them.
can give you a call, we'll pick up the phone. Who
Any
are you? Why
problem,
are you?
yeah.
What are you? When are you? Where are you?
What
How
do
are
you want to do?
Whatever, we'll figure out what you want to do, and we will probably help you with going in the right direction
Good,
to be able to build a sustainable business.
true.
We want
Long way, long journey.
to build out businesses which are 60-year-old, 100-year-old,
Great.
generational businesses,
Yeah, actually.
not which last 1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2
5
years
years.
chhod diya karke.
हाँ, हाँ.
And I think that kind of facility or that kind of potential, if you give to somebody,
Yeah, I think.
I mean,
see,
that's a great idea. Like,
I think the India का intellect पे किसी को doubt नहीं है, right? I think the future of India is going to be built on innovation and entrepreneurship.
yes.
Innovation is the ability to think new, and entrepreneurship is your ability to build a business on top of that.
Yeah. No, once that mind may come, na, okay, business or office space, I have to spend here, I have to spend here. But now I think that barriers have been
Yes.
closed by
We-
you. I
yeah.
mean, you can easily come in and start your
We're taking
work.
away all the overhead costs.
Yeah. You have closed the bars.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much, sir. I think it was wonderful talking to you and exploring more about it. And I think the waiting list, which is there for 15.
नहीं कम हो जाएगा.
हाँ, like
जैसे
people
हमारा
should
ऊपर
get
के-
more, yeah.
Yeah.
People
Once we
should
have
get
full
more
10
admit-
floors
yeah.
operational, I think that will almost come down a lot.
I mean, you are creating leaders. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much
spending
for
that
taking your
much
time and coming
No,
over to us.
thanks to you. It was wonderful meeting you and exploring more about the T Hub. So thank you so
Thank you
much.
very
Yeah. That was a wonderful T Hub tour. I think you must have enjoyed it. What are the facilities they are giving to make a leader of India? Well, they have more opportunities, more way you can explore yourself to become a leader entrepreneur. So for more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDreams.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So, subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream की iDream team अंदर की huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.